Welcome to Jahaneman. A fresh start, a new beginning, something exciting to look forward to. Make new dreams come true. Here we are with New Year's resolutions. Memories 2021, meet aspirations 2022. And we have Dr. B. Ramanathan with us from Singapore, who is the Managing Director of ACE International. Jahaneman welcomes you, Dr. Ram.
Thank you, Dr. Halima, for inviting me today.
So, Dr. Ram, coming straightforward to the question, how was 2021 for you? What are the memories of this 2021?
Really wonderful. Many people are thinking what was the memories they can able to carry over for their life. Myself also the same. When the COVID-19 hits and made the worst condition in late 2019 and the whole year 2020, 2021 brings about something, the highlights of vaccination program, which are the main hope for the whole human community can be made some kind of resistance against of this COVID-19. The severity is also getting reduced. Recent data and other things, it saves the human community against of COVID-19 serious illness or any kind of fatality also. So that is the main memory I have to carry over. And the other way, we are looking for the opportunity in a positive mindset. Whatever the barriers, whatever the hurdles we are facing, we must need to have the mindfulness to overlook the challenges as an opportunity. So that is the same learning and exploration I'm having as a kind of strategy to make move further better.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Ram, for sharing this. And I would appreciate if you can show us some glimpses and sweet memories. That's, of course, going to add on in our joy and cheerfulness.
Definitely, it would be a kind of things. Always visualization makes more better understanding. I would like to share the slides for you, so that will make some better understanding about me and my goals and plans for the coming year. Carry over from the 2021 to move further. So the first slide, please. First slide, titles. Yeah. So the memories of 2021 as the glimpse we have all with the COVID-19 to make the move for positive and meet with the aspirations, because we are hoping to feel better and making ourselves getting better. So the goals, plan and strategy, the triangle map can make the past memories, life memories into make some new future goals. The same way, myself also I'm planning certain things with the carry over the memory to the future goals. Next slide. Myself, Dr. B. Ramanathan, I'm having the professional experience in different area, especially research and development, learning and development, and business and development. So all these kind of learning experience, expertise, I would like to project for the future life, the goals, plan and strategy, as I earlier mentioned. So how do we able to go through with that, carry over the memory into the future goals? I'm in charging for this particular destination, founder and managing director of ACE International Private Limited. We are projecting the values for business excellence on different areas, like our products and services are generating. As mentioned here, I don't want to go very deep. So those people who know me very well, they know that where I am, what I am. So that is the aspirations I am having. Next slide, please. Capability building is the kind of attitude as of now. Everyone is looking for that. So we are also providing various kind of strategical implementation, strategical formulations for the people, how to build their capability or the capacity to retain the value, as well as developing certain kind of projections into that. So yeah, these are all the goal sets I have earlier. I am projecting the value for the future plans as well. Next. The market focus, we are very eager to tie up with institutions and industries because institutions are generating the people for the future workforce with learning culture as well as the experience what they gain during the education time. The same way, industries also procuring the talents into the workforce environment. So it is also a kind of two sides of the coin. So both sides must need to give the value addition for the coin to retain its own value. The same way, we must need to project both the sides of the coin. Institutions and industries are our target market focus. Next. So who are the audience? Then the audience would be the business owners, aspiring entrepreneurs, the startup and the early SME groups, professionals and managers like faculties or any working community, the middle PMET category, professional, managerial, executive and technical category people, professors, teachers, higher educational students, school students. All these people are our target clients who can able to uplift their life accomplishments and career developments. So we are focusing on their skills development, attitude development, as well as the knowledge sharing kind of sessions. Thank you. So myself, I become a key person for different organizations as they merit myself. I become the board of advisor for Bose International Health Foundation Canada last year, and board of advisor for Indian Educators Forum India. Um, Chief Scientific Officer for WITS Clinic. It is a pharmaceutical company who are looking for certain kind of products to develop and getting into the market penetration. Director for TriSafe Consultants Private Limited, Singapore. Director for the Global Commercial Connect Singapore. These are all my key personal role for different.
Congratulations, Dr. Ram. Congratulations. These are great achievements for you.
Thank you so much. Next slide. So office bearer for social enterprise. Without social service or commitments and contributions, the humanity will not make the complete kind of values. That's the way I also plan to enter with the social organizations to take the charge and the role for office bearer. I'm now the president for Guild of International Speakers and Trainers, Singapore. It is the registered society in Singapore. We are supporting for public speaking and professional training for the people who can able to develop their personal values, professional values, and entrepreneurial values. So, and then president of Chitrai, the forest division. So it is the global Tamil business community and the in charge for that. And president for Vanigam, the global business connect networking forum. And it is also supporting for the business community to come together and share together. President for Global Entrepreneurs Guild. We plan to establish Dr. Kalima, also the backbone of that. And we wanted to support for the entrepreneurs to come and connect in the global scenario to upscale their portfolio as well as comfortability to connect and contribute better in the business environment. I am the secretary for Tamil Pattimanta Kalakam, is Tamil Debate Association of Singapore. So these are all the roles enable me as a social leader, a social entrepreneur, how to project my values in order to support for the community and people to develop further in their lifestyle and their life's ambitions. Next.
So thank you very much, Dr. Ram. You are doing a great job in the social field. I can see you are associated with so many organizations.
Yes. So the next one, along with you, you were EduFarm International. Yes, International engaged several award ceremonies, mainly the Women of Substance Award. That is the main focus because we need to appreciate the women gender who are contributing and doing great in their lifespan of time. So we recognize International Women Day 2021. We conducted this Women of Substance Award. Dr. Halima arranged that, but she's very generous to tie with ACE International to bring it the value for the international award.
And I will continue in 2022, that's for sure.
Yes, we are focusing and we are making the next level of 100 women who can able to contribute certain things for the book to publish. Hopefully we will do that. Global Kantar Award for the May Day, we are arranging that. We were arranging that. So it is also recognizing the people who have contributed something better in their lifespan for the fellow people to support as well as uplift. Inspire Awards 2020 and 2021. Yes, International provided these particular Inspire Awards for the people who have done something great in their professional values or personal values for the society. Innovative Guru Award, Teachers Day time, September 5, last year, the 2021. Yes, International and Educom International join each other again to congratulate all the fellow teachers who have done the great job for the students community. Is this the indirect or direct social transformation? So we need to value their gratitudes as well as we have to appreciate their commitment for this particular teaching role to take forward. Human Excellence Award, just we announced and we gave last Saturday, 2021 Human Excellence Award through Guild of International Speakers and Trainers. So all these things made me something happy, and I'm very comfortable to move along with the right people in the right time for the right gesture. Thank you. Next slide. And my social media presence and encourage, especially I'm taking the role for business development in our organization, also with other entities. As International YouTube channel, I started last March 2021, and I'm learning and explore. Facebook page also we are communicating with our group. ARR Voices also, we myself, Mr. Arun Sharma, and Dr. Rajesh Srinivasan, we plan to start this YouTube channel, providing certain kind of talk shows and sharing sessions for enable the people who can able to uplift their life scenario. Facebook page also we are having for the ARR Voices. Tamilodu Tamilaraga, that is for with Tamil and Tamilians kind of thing. I'm procuring this because I wanted to make the people to learn, teach, and explore the opportunity through the Tamil language, because it has many values, treasury kind of things. So I just wanted to engage the young youths, students and the youths, as well as adult people and the retiree people. They can come and share their visions and their views for making the connections and contributions for the Tamil language, the values, what they have found, what they wanted to share in the community. So all these things, and now the clubhouse also making me to travel certain kind of value addition. So I'm continuously engaging weekly once the wellness and well-being kind of support for the people. Wednesday morning 7 to 9 Indian time. If anybody wanted to know that, but it is in Tamil language, so anybody wanted to know, they can follow. And programs and sessions, the life ambition is making without any kind of commitment and contributions. Myself also, I commit to serve better through my accomplishments as well as roles. Workshops, we have conducted several international workshops, webinars, conferences, joint venture with the different entities and social organizations, industries. Panel discussions, we are arranging for the parents, students, panel discussions, talk shows, many forum talks. I'm also invited for many invited lectures and keynote address. Dr. Halima gave me a great chance to be a foreign delegate to present certain things, the value addition for the community. Thank you so much for keeping me engaged and motivated for these kind of aspirations. Next.
You deserve that, Dr. Ram. You deserve even more than that, whatever opportunities you are getting. So we all are fortunate to have you and honored.
Thank you so much. Next. So myself and my organizations committed to serve better in the great values and projections. We have signed the MOU, Memorandum of Understanding and Partnership deal closures. Mainly, we are focusing for institute industry partnerships with universities, colleges, and schools, where we can able to value addition for the learning strategies and learning and development kind of supports. Industry partnerships with the likely-minded people, we can collaborate and join ventures for many business values to exchange. If anybody wanted to represent in Singapore through our organization or myself, I'm very glad to support for that, because Singapore is ideally a smart nation environment and connected well with the Asian countries. So it is a good place for you. if you want to come and expand with the Asian country, the Southeast Asia environment. Social organizations and enterprise collaborations also we are welcoming, and we can support a lot through these kind of non-governmental organizations and the non-profit organizations. So these are all the things government is recognizing and providing a lot of support. So we can work together for that kind of things. Training and coaching organizations to support for the needy people who may be underprivileged, who may be in requirement of certain things. Now the big question is COVID-19 eradicate many people normal life, especially the employment category or salaries which are not enough for them. So we have to support for the community to develop further. So if anybody wanted to support in that case, please contact me. So we will talk and we can finalize certain way how to support the needy people in their life to improve. Next. So year 2022, still it is a kind of puzzle because recently the Omicron came and many countries are getting alert for that. So we have to look forward the positive manner and positive attitude. How do we able to engage the joint venture or collaboration and supporting elements to give the strengthened part for us? That is the aspiration I am having. Alone we cannot win, but together we can win. So that is the way we have to make forward for our future life, progressive as well as making the big value for us. Thank you. Thank you so much for getting me to come and share my memories of 2021 and meet with the aspirations for 2022. Still, we are going for the long way, but small steps can make move forward. So that is the way we have to work on every day. The present is the presence for us. Make the steps today and march fast for the tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you very much for sharing your beautiful memories and your aspirations for 2022. It was really like a year full of achievements, full of excitements, and lots of you have done for the social cause. I congratulate you for the year that has passed. Now, my last question to you is, if one thing you have to change in 2021 and one thing you have to adopt in 2022, what would be that?
2021, I learned from something the failures, what I could not able to achieve as my goals planned in the early 2021. But learning is the continuous journey. Lifelong learning is the empowerment kind of strategy. So I have to learn and explore well. I have to engage with the right attitude, which will make me more stronger and more empowered. So I have to look forward the positive year 2022, especially for traveling in many countries, because earlier the safety travel restrictions and other aspects we could not able to, but I would like to travel more in the 2022 to go and meet the friends who are connected only virtually, but we have to move on physical man. That is the
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Ram. Thank you very much. And you know, your friends in India are also waiting for you. Whenever sanctions are over, you can travel here. And I wish you all the best for 2022. Congratulations for a fulfilled year. And now all the best for the upcoming year.
Thank you. And I'm also looking for the opportunity with you to make the move further for the 2022 to get the label for us. Something we made some great victories or success and sustainability for the people, because United Nations Sustainability Development Goals are very good one. So we can able to do something better for that.
Yes, thank you very much. I'm also looking forward to those opportunities.